Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in this channel. In this video, I am giving 2 to power x times 27 to power x over x plus 2 is equal to 6. I am required to find the value of x. If we put x equals to 1 into this equation, we are going to get a balanced equation because 2 to power 1 times 27 can be written as 3 to power 3, then times 1 all over 1 plus 2 is 3. That is divided by 3 here is equal to 6 because 3 over 3 is 1. And so 2 times 3 is 6. X is equal to 1. That is a solution to this equation. But x equals to 1 is not the only solution to this equation. To get the other one, I'm going to solve it this way. First, I will write this into 2 to power x times 3 to power 3 and x over x plus 2 is equal to 6 can now be written as 2 times 3. Now, to get x equals to 1, we simply need to equate these terms in the product. For example, 2 to power x equate to 2 to power 1, or this equate to 3, we will get x equals to 1. Now, to get the other value of x, I'm simply going to divide the terms by 2 first. So I have 2 to power x over 2 times 3 to power 3x over x plus 2 is equal to 2 times 3 over 2, where this and this will cancel out. So having done that, we now have 2 to power x over 2 times 3 to power 3x over x plus 2 is equal to 3. The next thing is to divide both terms by this. That is 3 to power 3x over 3x plus 2. So we have 2 to power x over 2 times 3 to power 3x over x plus 2 divided by 3 to power 3x over x plus 2 is equal to 3 divided by 3 to power 3x over x plus 2. Good. So this and this will cancel out. So we now have 2 to power x over 2 is equal to 3 over 3 to power 3x over x plus 2. Now I need to apply a property in indices, which is the subtraction law. If I have a raised to power b divided by a raised to power c, it is the same thing as a raised to power b minus c. This property will be applied in both cases. So I have here 2 to power x minus 1 is equal to 3 to power 1 minus 3x over x plus 2. Let me convert this into a single fraction. That becomes 3 to power, the LCM is x plus 2. X plus 2 divided by x plus 2 is 1. 1 times 3x is 3x. Then this minus x plus 2 divided by 1, we get x plus 2 times 1, we still have x plus 2. So here is now 2 to power x minus 1 is equal to 3. X minus 3x will give us minus 2x. Minus 2x here, then plus 2 all over x plus 2. Let me factorize minus 2 out here. So here becomes 3 to power minus 2. I have here x minus 1 all over x plus 2. So what I have is 2 to power x minus 1 is equal to 3 to power minus 2 x minus 1 over x plus 2. So this and this can now cancel out when we divide both of the powers by x minus 1. So this and this will cancel out, leaving 2 is equal to 3 to power minus 2 over x plus 2. Now, I need to take the ln of both sides, but first I will write this term first. So we have 3 to power minus 2 over x plus 2 is equal to 2. So I was saying that I'm going to take the ln of both sides, and I will do it here. So taking ln of both sides, this power will now come down according to this power law of logarithm. That is, log to base a of b raised to power c is equal to c log to base a of b. So it will come down, giving us minus 2 over x plus 2 Let's put it in the bracket. Log to base ln, please. ln3 is equal to ln2. Of course, ln is log to base e of 3. For example, ln3 is the same thing with this. Now, to proceed, I'm going to multiply both sides by x plus 2. So I have minus 2 over x plus 2 times x plus 2 ln3 is equal to x plus 2 ln2, where this and this will cancel out, leaving us with minus 2 ln3 is equal to x plus 2 ln2. Now, divide both sides by ln2. This and this will cancel out. So I have x plus 2 is equal to minus 2 ln3 over ln2. Take this to this side or subtract 2 from both sides. I have x equals to minus 2 ln3 over ln2 minus 2. Let me convert this into a single fraction. ln2 is the LCM. So I have here minus 2 ln3, then minus 2 ln2. So x equals to, I can factorize minus 2 out. Bigger minus 2, I have ln3 plus ln2 all over ln2. Now, according to the addition law of logarithm, if I have log to base a of b plus log to base a of c, it is the same thing as log to base a of bc. This property will be applied in this case. That becomes x equals to minus 2 ln 3 times 2 is 6 all over ln2. This becomes the answer.